Miguel on the beat.
You too, what's good, y'all? JT the Barber back live and direct, man. Today we're gonna do a high fade, getting ready for some braids. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I like to clip the hair up. I'm using Visionary clips by Yandy Blends. I like gold and they're gold, so you know what it is. Now that we combed the hair down, we're gonna go ahead and take out all the bulk using the 1.5 closed all the way up using the C stroke motion. Now notice that sometimes I turn the clipper sideways. You always want to go against the grain, guys. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and get our gammas and set our first initial guideline at the TPP point. Again, this is a high fade, guys. And now we're going to go ahead and grab our magic clips, set our second initial guideline, half an inch above our first initial guideline in a C stroke motion. And again, I like blending downwards, so that's what we're going to go ahead and do.
Miguel on the beat.
Now we're going to keep doing the open and close lever till that guideline is fully erased. Then we're going to go ahead and throw the one open and move from the top to the bottom.
Miguel on the beat.
Now you guys notice whenever I do high fades or high tapers, I always go from the top to the bottom. It's much more convenient, it's easier, a nicer transition. It saves you a lot of time.
Purchase your beats today.
Now I'm going to grab my gammas and go downward. This is a little trick I like to use when I do high fades so I can see the contrast of the transition much better.
Miguel on the beat.
Now we're going to go ahead and take the bulk on the front hairline, and then we're going to go ahead and proceed using again our gamma clippers to edge up the front, starting from the front, in the middle, and moving on to the side. Now guys, when there's a lot of excess hair, you have to create your own guideline. I like to go perpendicular to the eyebrow, to the end of the eyebrow rather.
Miguel on the beat. Miguel on the beat.
Now we're gonna just repeat the same procedure all the way around the head. I'm gonna stop talking and let y'all watch. Enjoy.
Miguel on the beat. Purchase your beats today. Miguel on the beat.
Whenever I do a bald fade, I like to do one side and the other side, then I meet in the back. This creates less room for error because you can then focus on one side at a time versus focusing on the whole head at once and then getting lost.
Miguel on the beat.
Now guys, we're gonna grab our Slimline Pros. I like using these for balding out any bald fade or taper. I don't really like using them for designs or edges, guys, just for balding out. our straight razor, 30 to 45 degree angle. We're gonna go ahead and clean up any excess hair that's left. Clean up the eyebrow a little bit.
Miguel on the beat.
You guys have it, man. A high ball fade, getting ready for braids. I'm gonna have a lot better content coming. A lot of white screens, green screens in the background, make it all pop nicer, so we don't got much going on in the background. But anyways, make sure to subscribe, like, comment. Appreciate any good feedback, man. Peace and blessings.
Miguel on the beat.